Hey guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog, and today is Jenis, my baby sister's birthday. She's turning 1. Her name is Jenis, and we are really squished in this car. A lot of stuff, and this big balloon is bothering us. So we're on our way to this park, and we're close to it, and our names are. My name is Marlson. My name is Elston. My dad's over here. And just see you when we get there. Alright guys, we're at the place. It's over here. It's at this park. The park is called Ballinger Park. And we're waiting to enter the place. And look at this food. It's so yummy. So we're gonna go in. Help our auntie decorate, and then we're gonna have fun with our cousins. Okay, we are here. We are here. As you can see, we are here. What? I think. Yep, I remember this place. So see you when we get inside.
Alright, what's up guys? We're at the party right now. These are all my friends slash nieces. And of course, this is one of the M3E member. That's Mr. Austin. So what are we doing, guys? What are we doing today? Huh? Don't be shy.
We're painting
Hands and faces. And we're celebrating someone's birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
Jenis.
So it looks like we're gonna have a lot of fun today, are we?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we're just gonna kind of give you a tour on what's going on in the room. There's so much people. So that's the birthday girl. Those are the lovely parents. And we got mommy right there. We got the gang right there. That's one of the M3E. So that's Mars back in the corner with that red shirt. That's Mars and his cousins. And shout out to them. Alright, and then we'll talk later. We'll take you, kind of show you what's going on during the party. Okay? Alright, everybody say peace. Alright, then once again, this is the outside part of the party. This is where all the kids gather together. And we that's alright. Got this section of the room, but the rest of that party is right there, right in there. Shout out to Charity, she's right there. Manny in the house. Okay, let's take you to the party. Just a little glimpse of what's going on inside. That's right there. Got some more people right there. We've got some more people right there. We got family members coming from Salem, Portland, all over. There, right there. Alright. See you a little bit. What's going on, Dodo? Dodo? Huh? You want to be on YouTube? Huh? You want to say hi? Huh? You want to say hi to sisters? Huh? And Auntie Jenny? Huh? Okay, so these are the lovely ladies in charge of the kitchen for this party. So on the right or on the left, we have Mommy Lily, and on the right we have Mommy Yuki. What do we have here? Oh,
Pumpkin roll.
we've got the pumpkin roll. Alright, pumpkin roll it is. Alright, stay tuned everybody.
What do you want to do? Like a heavy? Yeah.
So what are you guys doing? Doing a painting?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go. You're a winning person.
So inside right there, that's where the party is at.
Look at my hands.
Oh, hey guys, these is all my sister.
That's it. Painting. Painting.
They're painting.
Yeah. Kinda.
Okay. Alright. Okay, this is the birthday girl right there, and that's the daddy. And that's the mommy. Mommy. Alright, so hey guys, if you wonder if you've seen our video, other videos, you see those decorations right up there on the wall? Those are actually what they're made for this birthday party. So yeah, it's not actually made for our studio.
It's actually homemade, so. The drinks.
What about the drinks? Can't you see I'm busy right now?
Background music. Are they just gonna sit right there?
I will pass them out, but I'm busy right now. Nin, there's your picture right there. All right, guys, here we go with the party. There goes your boy Marlson right there.
Oh, she's over there.
Hi guys. Say hi to YouTube. You have anything to say?
Huh?
You have anything to say? You're just waiting to eat?
Yeah, I'm waiting when the line gets shorter. Less people.
More people. I guess this is the room for the losers. What's up, losers? So what's going on today? You want to say something?
Waiting for the food.
Waiting for the food. All right. So these guys are just chilling and kicking back and waiting for the food to be served. Oh boy. What's up, Nene? More people, more people. What? Go get. You hungry? Go.
But we can't even. Wait, are you?
To see all of you guys coming from afar, it means a lot. I cannot express how I feel. Just thankful because you guys show how much you guys care about Jenis. And not just for my family that came from far, but especially to Jen's family that you guys are prepared. It really means a lot. I can't express what I want to say, but I hope that God continues to bless all of you guys for coming here and just for everything you've done for our daughter. And when we planned this day, to me, I thought we wouldn't have a party because we don't really do these kinds of things, but I just want to thank God as I talked to my husband and we were talking about having this party. And then after explaining about why he wanted to do this, just to give God our thanks, I agreed, and I just want to thank God because with our firstborn, even just 1 year, 1 year old, with one little baby, she's taught us a lot. I don't really know how to say it, but it has taught us to depend on God more for all our needs, for everything. God knows where we stand in life trying to get through, but He has met all our needs, and I know it all comes from God, and especially through all of you guys, a lot of times. So I just want to thank God for tonight. Thank you all for coming. It really does mean a lot, and may God bless you guys all. Thank you.
Thank you.
I got 2 gold sticks.
Oh, look at all the goodies right there. Woo. Oh, boy.
Before
Look at that. Look at
they were like this. I got 2 gold sticks.
that.
You get
What you
it?
got? What do you got?
I found 2 gold sticks.
Oh my god, that's a good one. That's a good one. Hey, why you mixed out?
This was Kyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go from there.
Baby girl, she's sleeping right now.
Hold on. It's over there. Oh, there's one here. Oh,
Look at all the treats.
Where's Stevie? You know I got a big rose.
Hold on. Let me take that. Let's just put it. Okay, don't kick it out, okay? Where's the baby?
Oh, the baby. Wow.
Aquí le checo cut it. Okay, let's cut the cake.
That's too big.
Wait.
Where?
we're back at it again with those cars. Why you laughing? Why you laughing? Huh? Why you laughing?
Oh no, you know what you should have done? You should, okay, so when you said Gloria was taking pictures, you should have said that all the pictures are going to be on your guys' YouTube channel so that you get more subscribers.
Yeah, that's right. I should have said that. You want to say hi to the vlog? You want to? You do?
I do.
Oh, nice. Nice. You too? You watch our videos? High five. Thanks for the support.
I've been subscribed.
Wait, are you recording?
All right, let's see the forehead. Oh, is it done? Oh, we have Loco Moco and M3E. Look at this boy. Oh, these guys are having too much fun. See? We got the best family ever. See? So if you have any kids, if you have any friends, if you have any kids, friends, just tell them to watch our videos and subscribe to our channel. Oh, look at that. Look at all that noise. I'm sorry about the noise, but it's just way too many people in here. Look at, they're just having so much fun. But, hey, sab-sasing pa video. Tidak perlu sakura. Wasa.
Tidak lagi lah. Glory, I see you guys cut the clock.
Okay, we're just alright, the party is officially over. Wow.
You should talk.
I know, that's what I'm doing. We're officially wrapping up the party. So right now everybody's doing a cleanup. Everybody's getting ready to go back to their respective homes, like Garden, Portland, Salem. There's lots of people. We want to say thank you all for coming to our party, birthday party. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, birthday vlog, and make sure to subscribe for more videos in the near future and years ahead. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to do so. And don't forget to smash that like button on the bottom. Alright. Oh, let's continue on and see ya. Okay, so we have come to the end of the party right now. We're just cleaning up. Clean up time. All the food are almost done. Everybody's cleaning up here. Hey kids, you gotta help us clean up. Understand? You understand? Hello? Hello? You guys start cleaning up. Pick up the trash. Okay? Lazy girl. Alright, so this is the after video. Everything is already cleaned up and putting back to where they're supposed to be. We're now doing the last touch of the cleanup of the place, and we'll be on our way. That was a really fun day for most of us because I was just first mornings and doing cooking. See you guys in a little bit.
Okay guys, we're wrapping up this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and check out another videos, and leave your comments down below if what you want to do in the next video. See you next time. Peace.